Good day, my name is Amos of 10KB Forex, and today is 22nd of 1st, 2024. Another quick video to demonstrate to you on a formation that happens on a pound dollar today on type of strategies that are used in trading Forex market. So let me show it to you, and you may see one movement of occur already today. Another one is possible to happen maybe during the Asian section. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. All right. Here is pound dollar. As you know, I use 4 hours to analyze, and I use 15 minutes to execute my trade. So this is 4 hours on the left and 15 minutes on the right. So what am I looking for in my own style of trading? On 4 hours, I look for a scenario whereby a level as this is being respected by a market. So once the market returns as this into a level, because something has happened in the past, sorry for that, because something has happened in the past, and then market return to that area as this, and respect the area, and the market dive back inside and maybe move 1 or 2 candles and return to that level again, and then refuse to break up. Remember, once the support becomes resistance, and once the resistance becomes support. So it's touching from below, it's becoming resistance. So in most cases, it will break through that line, but it will dive back inside. So once I go first touch, second touch, I will be paying attention on my 15 minutes, looking for an entry to go short. So as you can see here, let me clean it up again. As you can see here, something has happened in the past, as an example, and the market has returned to that area. I will pay an attention to that currency pair. So I'll be expecting a respect of that level. When market dive back, return inside, and then I'll wait for it to go back again, test that area. In most cases, it will break through as if it's going, then we'll dive back inside. That is perfect for me, and it's making double top there on my 4 hours, and I will go on my 15 minutes, and I will be looking for a scenario like this where market is moving forward and where a certain area is being respected, forming double top as well as it forms on the 4 hours. So let me show you now. Let me clear this one and show you. As I said, it happens on pound dollar, which we're on right now. It happens today, and it may still happen. So here it is on 4 hours. This is 4 hours pound dollar. So the market to return to this level today. So we have an indicator which I downloaded from Forex market, and it's free. As you can see, I replicate what is happening here on the 4 hours. I replicate it, and it's showing right there, and it's showing on the 15 minutes as well. Now this is the line. So what's happening here now? The market, something has happened in the past. As I said, market moved down, returned there. Now the market returned to this level and respected it. If you see here, it refused to go, but this time around, it touched that level. And what happened here on 15 minutes? See, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is even more than double top, 1, 2, 3, 4, quadruple, or whatever it may be called. And here we go, and the market is down. But one thing I want to point your attention to, because it's not that easy for you to spot. So in some cases, you miss this move. If you miss this move, you are unable to take your trade here. You can still wait, because look at it, it's a live market. It's about half 9 in the evening. So Asian section, this pattern may form again. Look at it here. Market is trying to return to that area. So if you return to this area in Asian market and you have that pattern, double top, it must be double top. Why not? You may take your trade. It will continue as long as 4 hours is saying the same. As long as this level on 4 hours is is holding. Once this level is holding and the market is moving downward, why not? You just follow what is happening on 15 minutes and you take your trade. And that's it. It's a short video, and I hope this helped you. If this helped, please share and click like. And if there's anything you want me to improve on, please feel free to message me, and I will try my best to do that. Thank you for watching. Bye.